An intro to Beard Balm, what it does and doesn't do. Guess what a bearded man's best friend is? Beard Balm. Wait, what? I have to get a shampoo, beard oil, shavers, trimmers, and now Beard Balm too? Well, look at it this way. If you leave your beard to grow without tender loving care, it'll just grow wild like a wayward child. While other beard products are great, your tools of the trade will be incomplete without Beard Balm, as far as caring for your beard is concerned. Beard Balm is a special wax for taming medium and long beards. It softens brittle facial hair and keeps it from looking frizzled and dry. It helps in styling and moisturizing the beard while preventing split ends that can ruin a perfect looking beard. The balm improves the beard's overall health. But, doesn't beard oil perform the same thing as Beard Balm? Do you really need it, or is it just some clever marketing hype? I get it. A lot of my fellow bearded men don't really know what beard balms do or don't do. However, in a bit, you'll see why adding a small tin of wax to your grooming arsenal can improve your beard's quality dramatically. What is the purpose of Beard Balm? If you keep a beard, then you already know that it requires a dedicated effort to keep it in great shape. However, trimming it once in a while just won't cut it. I suggest you let go of the idea that growing a beard is easier than shaving every or almost every day. Here's the truth, growing and maintaining your beard properly requires as much effort as cutting it daily, if not more. And no one enjoys a dry beard, not you, and not anyone who somehow comes in contact with your beard, which is why you need something to condition, moisturize and soften it. No doubt, good quality beard shampoos like the Viking Revolution Beard Wash and Beard Conditioner can provide deep cleansing. But a clean beard doesn't necessarily translate to a likable one. If you have a medium to full-length beard, you'll want to be able to style it in whatever way you choose. What are the benefits of Beard Balm? Beard oil is great, and you should have it in your beard product collection. However, you should try combining it with Beard Balm, and you'll notice a dramatic difference in the shine and flexibility of your beard. Before long, you'll notice the following tremendous benefits. Beard Balm prevents beard rough. This tops the list of benefits derived from beard balms, and here's why. When you start to grow a beard for a couple weeks, you'll start to notice some whitish flakes all over your beard. Those are beard rough, which can be incredibly embarrassing. That's your body's way of telling you that your beard is sucking up your skin oil, sebum. So, what does this mean for you and your beard? Here's the thing. As soon as your beard becomes long enough and has soaked up more than a fair share of sebum, your skin will start to dry out, become irritable, and produce dead scales that fall off as whitish flakes. Washing your beard with shampoo alone will not stop the flakiness or beard rough. Besides, it is not healthy to shampoo your beard every day. You'll end up washing off more skin oil and worsening the situation. So, what's the solution? Definitely not shaving off your beard. Regular application of Beard Balm will completely eliminate beard rough in no time. Remember the different ingredients mentioned earlier? They all provide several layers of protection for your beard. Carrier oils will keep the beard hydrated, the beeswax locks in the moisture provided by the carrier oils, the essential oils repair any damages on the skin, and lastly, the butter ensures that the balm is distributed evenly to cover all the hairs on your beard. Clearly, beard balms go way beyond styling beards. The balm softens your beard. If you've ever used a hair conditioner before, you'll know that it conditions and softens your hair to make styling your hair effortless. Well, that's what beard balms do for your beard too. Beard balms reduce the brittleness of your beard hair and also prevent split ends. Using the product regularly will ensure that your beard presents better without looking dry and frizzled out. Beard balms are your go-to beard product if you need your beard to look its best. So, make sure you apply it before going for that important interview, date night, or any event that requires you to look good. It is important to mention briefly that beard balms and beard oils are not mutually exclusive. You can have and use both for the best results. Combining good quality beard balm with a top-rated beard oil like the Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil will give you the ultimate soft beards. Beard balm eliminates itches. As mentioned earlier, beard balms are great at locking in moisture and preventing beard rough. With facial skin irritation taken care of, beard itches are almost non-existent. This is possible because of the potent ingredients in beard balms. Beard balm keeps hairs from straying. You are less likely to experience the peskiness of stray or flyaway beard hairs if you maintain a short beard. However, if you have medium to long beard, stray hairs are a frequent occurrence. Apart from giving your beard a long-lasting hold, Beard Balm helps keep your beard hairs in place. Your beard looks well maintained and less fuzzy when you use Beard Balms regularly. Beard Balm untangles your beard hairs. This is a no-brainer. It is logical to have fewer knots and tangles in a soft and well-maintained beard, regardless of length. Combing a fuzzy, dry, tangled beard can be both uncomfortable and painful. Beard Balm eliminates that unnecessary pain. Your brush or comb will glide easily through the strands of beard hair and give you the smooth beard grooming experience. Beard Balm provides volume for beards. If you want your beard to look thicker, Beard Balm is the way to go. The all-natural butter in the balm adds volume to your beard and makes it quick and easy to control or style as you desire. How to use Beard Balm for the best result? A beard product with a combination of natural and effective ingredients definitely needs a special method of application, right? Well, not really. There's nothing complicated about applying a beard balm. All it takes are a few simple steps. Here's how you can do so. Step 1. Clean your beard. Wash your beard with warm water. If you've not washed your beard for a couple of days, it is best to use a shampoo to get rid of all the oils and dirt. Here's my #1 beard shampoo recommendation from Beauty and the Bees. Remember to shampoo your beard just once or twice weekly. On other days, rinse it with warm water. And, while we're still on the topic of shampoos, do not use hair shampoo for your beard. The hair and skin on your scalp are totally different from those on your face. The products for each are formulated differently too. Step 2. Dry and comb your beard. Get a good dryer, like the Remington hair dryer, to blow dry your beard while combing it. Make sure to comb it out smooth and nice to untangle the hairs. A beard brush works just fine for short beards, whereas a comb will do the trick for longer beards. If possible, use a wooden comb for your beard hair. A plastic comb can create static and cause your beard to frizzle. A metal comb is a cool option, but it can cause split ends. Here's a good quality wooden comb set that can help you straighten out your beard hair without causing problems. Step 3. Scoop a little balm into your hands. Scoop a small amount of your beard balm into your hand, and about the size of a thumbnail will do just fine. You can always add more if necessary. Don't apply the balm directly to your beard because it will be difficult to spread throughout your hair. Instead, scrape the balm into your hand and rub them together until they feel a bit warm. Doing so will melt and soften the balm, making it easy to distribute evenly on your beard. Step 4. Massage the balm into your beard. Gently massage the balm into your beard and skin. Start from your neck and move upward toward your chin. Make sure to dig deep into the root of your hair follicles. Your skin will benefit from the deep balm massage and help your beard grow faster. Remember, a great-looking beard can only grow from healthy skin. Reverse the direction and massage downward from your cheeks. Don't leave out your mustache and hairs under your lower lip. Step 5. Style your beard with a brush or comb. Use a brush or comb, depending on your beard length, to style your beard. The balm makes it easy to tame any stray hairs and achieve your desired look. What brands do I recommend? So, you don't want to spend too much time going through the plethora of beard balms that are all claiming to be the best. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a small list of high-quality beard balms you can choose from. 1. Honest Amish Beard Balm. It is not strange that the Honest Amish Beard Balm tops this list. I mean, beards are right at the center of the Amish culture. The unique thing about this beard product is that it is handmade and contains no artificial preservatives, chemicals, colorings, or fragrances. Even the tin packaging is 100% recyclable. Besides conditioning and softening your beard, the all-natural ingredients in this product will also repair and nourish your precious facial hair. The balm contains natural hair strengthening and enhancing botanicals, such as argan, cocoon, virgin avocado, grapeseed, golden jojoba, shea butter, and essential oils. The Honest Amish Beard Balm is formulated to effectively eliminate aging and condition your beard. The balm has exceptional softness, making it easy to melt in your hand and spread on your beard. It has a mild woodsy smell that you're sure to love. With all these hard-to-beat combinations, it doesn't come as a surprise that the Honest Amish Beard Balm is rated as the best beard balm available. 2. Badass Beard Balm. Here's a brand I recommend if your beard is thicker than most. Of course, Badass Beard Balm is not formulated for wild beards only, but it sure can help you manage unruly beards. It is great for repairing split ends, eliminating beard itches, softening facial hair, and taming stray hairs and flyaway whiskers. It has lesser beeswax content compared to other brands because it is formulated to provide more moisturizing benefits than long-lasting holds. 3. Scotch Porter Beard Balm. This beard balm from Scotch Porter acts as a leave-in moisturizer that contains no harsh chemicals.
It is enriched with amino acids, protein, and vitamins B, C, A, and D.
It also contains ingredients like white willow bark that reduce skin irritation and inflammation, along with biotin liposomes that promote healthy beard hair. If you're looking for a balm to pamper your beard, the Scotch Porter Beard Balm is your best bet. 4. 7 Portions Beard Balm. Gentle, fabulous woodland aroma combined with organic ingredients make the 7-portion beard balm a great choice for bearded men looking to get rid of beard rough, split ends and itching. Its vegan-friendly glycerin will leave your skin feeling well moisturized. You will enjoy the level of control this balm offers. It also comes in a bigger tin than most other brands, so, if you want a quality beard balm that will last a long time, this is a perfect choice. 5. Smooth Viking Beard Balm. Last on this list, but definitely not the least, is the Smooth Viking Beard Balm. No matter how stubborn or unyielding your beard is, and no matter how long it grows, this balm will help you keep it in check. Smooth Viking provides your beard with adequate hydration and makes your beard look more robust. One cool thing about this brand is that it doesn't make much mess. Rub a small amount evenly all over your beard and just let it dry, nothing more is required. Conclusion. Beard balms may not be the end-all of beard maintenance, but they play a vital role in giving you the texture and shine you've always wanted. There are many beard balms available that could leave you confused. If you follow the recommended tips above, however, you can select a product that will be a perfect fit for you. We have also discussed the best way to use a beard balm to get optimum results. If you follow the recommended strategies for using each product, it won't be long before you realize that a wax-filled tin might just be the best thing that could ever happen to your beard. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.